Hey guys, welcome to the ninth video of module 3. Here we are going to first of all download the notebook that we have created for this module and then add it to our GitHub repository. So let's get into it. And now what I want you all to do is to simply go ahead and click on file, go and scroll for the download and then download this IP/NB file. So now what you need to do is you go to this Python for space application folder in which we had created this Git repository, inside which you go to the notebook and paste that notebook which we had just downloaded, and you can rename it the way you want. I am going to rename it as basics of oops. Then I can go back over here. I'll come and say open in terminal and do git add dot, and over here don't really worry about this warning as of now. What you can do on top of this is to check the status. It says that new file has been added, and I'm going to do git commit with the message M3 notebook added. Press enter, and now I can simply do git push and press enter, and everything looks good. I'll go to the GitHub and refresh this. It says that M3 notebook is added. We can also check that out, and yes, M3 notebook is indeed added, so that's something we really wanted. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video over here, and I hope that you are slowly catching up with respect to the commands that we are using for Git and GitHub.